everyone. Today we'll be recording a video. I've got a recipe for grilled salmon with some sweet potato, boiled sweet potato, and some Caesar salad. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to just lightly pan fry the salmon. I'll just pan fry here. There's a pan on already. Now the recipe description will be linked in the YouTube video. So I've got some marinated salmon here. I've got some sweet potato. The pots are already ready to go. So we're just going to quickly grill salmon. So we're going to do it face down first. I'm just going to quickly grill it through. Now I've got about roughly 5 pieces here. Depending on how many you've got, you just do it one by one and repeat it as you go along. And we're just going to let that pan fry for maybe 10 to 15 minutes, 5 minutes on one side, and then 5 minutes on the other side. Now as you can see, the salmon is cooking away nicely here. Checking the temperature, it's still not quite ready yet. And now what we're going to do now, I've got the sweet potato fries here. I'll just quickly show you if you can see it. Just here. And then we're going to put it into a pot of boiling water and let that boil for maybe about 15 or 20 minutes, and then we will come back to the recipe. So now we're going to deglaze the pan with a little bit of water, and we are then going to add some vegetable bouillon to the pan, just here like that. Just crumble it in. And then we're going to add vegetables I showed you earlier, which was the red onions and the cherry tomatoes. And that's going to be the garnish for the fish, the salmon. We're just going to lightly mix it through like that. And that should soften and cook through once it reduces in the heat. Now put it on a high temperature there, and that will cook down and reduce slightly, and then I'll be able to show you the finished product. And there you have it, a grilled salmon with sweet potato, a bit of Caesar salad, costly, and some Caesar salad dressing to go with it, and a bit of a jus from the deglazing of the pan from the salmon. I hope this video was interesting for somebody today. Please continue to watch, like, and obviously drop by the Mindful Eating channel. Thank you again for watching, and good day to you.